We live tonight with Tess Oville.
Taz Moville. You said Taz Moville?
Are you joking on me? I'm a customer. I'm a customer.
Right.
So we're gonna just basically look at this like a short interview, can we, for my organization? Because you're brilliant.
Oh, thank you. I thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes, so a lot of people talk about him in fast workers, so I'm here with my phone tonight.
Show the home base.
This is what he's fixing. Yes, guys, I'm here with this, and we're gonna watch him fix it. So go follow him right now. I put the link up. Go follow him right now.
You want me to start it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, your music stopped.
The DJ. Kill the DJ.
No, I feel like it. Sorry. Wi-Fi didn't know about
So, all the people who's watching, we're live with him tonight. I had to check him out, y'all. So I'm taking a break from Broken the Brilliance tonight. I'm gonna watch him work tonight, guys, because I heard about him and he's a great worker. He works fast. Check him out. Follow him right now.
See what he's doing? He's unscrewing. He's inside the phone right now. Look at that. Oh, God. Never seen somebody so fast.
Zombie la caillou. You. Petit comique. Hello? I'm fixing the phone. What's up? What's going on? Yeah, I'm home. Huh? Alright. I'm gonna be up all night because, yeah, I'm gonna be up all night. Yeah, I go to work at 9, but they won't stop me from staying up though.
If this is interesting to anybody, you can watch this guy and check him out.
Yeah.
I had to share him because he's great and very cheap and reliable too.
That's sad, man.
Oh my God.
That's just sad.
So that's how bad the phone is.
Looks like an undefrosted windshield.
I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all might say, this is not what you call it work, but
undefrosted windshield.
Giving credit where it's due. Much respect. Much respect on this.
So what we're not gonna do is judge my phone like that.
Can I ask one quick question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Well, we
First fried chicken and
did you learn this by yourself?
Oh, actually, yeah.
Okay, guys, so he learned how to do all this by himself, so much respect to that.
How much you charge?
I mean, actually, I went to school for graphic design, but it doesn't relate to this at all.
Right,
How
it
much you
doesn't.
charge? What's your
It's
rate?
I'm
reliable.
doing this right here for 80. 80.
The price?
80, man.
Very cheap and reliable.
I mean, it's not the whole thing I'm doing for 80. I mean, I'm doing the whole thing for 80. The
Yeah,
screen
so
is
that's the
65.
screen, the home button, the charger portal, right? That's what it's called, I don't know. All that is for $80, so very cheap. If you guys want to check out this guy, just follow him on the page that I just put up on this slide.
Legend has it he can smell a screw, whatever it's at.
You see what? I can smell the screw. That's a new one, dog.
Okay.
This right here.
So how about?
To heat up that hissy.
Okay.
For what? You gotta talk to us like we don't know what you're doing.
Alright, what I'm doing, look what happened, look what you did to your home button. Like you basically like rip it off right here.
Yeah.
So you see the flex cable right here? This is supposed to be connected to the home button right here. So this is all ripped. So this is the new home button I'm gonna put in for you, this one right here.
Okay, so guys, I'm not the only customer, so yeah. Yeah, I'm talking to some other customers waiting.
Madam Jaden Metellus.
Who's that?
Say, how much do you charge?
What you trying to do?
Yeah. What specifically does she want done?
What do you specifically need done, madam?
You do sound like you from down south, bro.
Oh God, you picking on your customers?
Not him. It's a, what do you need, madam?
That guy goofy, man. About how many phones you can do a day?
Like my goal, like I want to do like about like 7 phones a day.
So you can do 7 per day.
Yeah, that's my goal.
That's how much you want to do,
wanna
but I'm saying how much you can actually think you can do.
So far.
Oh, I can do like way
You can
more.
go all day,
Like
yeah.
I don't know. I can work all day, all night. You know what I'm saying?
And it takes you what, like 15 minutes to do one? 15 to 20?
Yeah, if I'm not doing a live where I'm talking, like joking around, I can do it 15, 20 minutes. You know?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Ladies, y'all can hit them up too now. Single.
Oh,
I mean, single.
single.
Oh, so you single.
Person single.
Ladies, I'm actually live with Tasmaville.
Y'all might get a discount. You hit
So,
them up.
I mean, no discount.
So I got the
Still gotta pay
connection,
full price.
ladies.
You
Y'all
still
can
gotta
hit
pay
me
full
up.
price.
Let me know if you need your phone needs, and I will reach out to him for you. I'm glad that I was able to be here tonight to witness him work. I see him throughout the timeline. So I'm actually here today in the office.
Tonight. In the
Tonight in the office.
Oh,
Oh, you know what?
iPads and stuff too?
office. Yeah, everything.
Y'all see that? He got
So
everything.
iPads, anything electronic,
Laptops too?
Laptop.
everything. Okay,
I
cool.
see you.
About TVs.
Let me
TV.
know.
I actually have 2 TVs behind me. I mean, right now to get fixed.
Oh,
To get fixed.
okay. So he fixed your TV too.
What's your rate? 'Cause
Oh, I
might
gotta
need my
bring
TV
mine.
fixed.
I just bought a TV and I kind of broke it.
What's your rate for the TVs and
TVs
iPads?
depends. I mean, it depends on what it is. Depends what you wanted. Like mine is the it's one of the boards on the phone that's just
So yeah, I'm kind of ugly tonight, but I just want y'all to know I'm here. So just so y'all see my face. Okay, so he said I'm real ugly tonight,
No, I
y'all, but
didn't
that's
say that.
okay
I
though.
didn't say that.
That's okay, ladies. Hit them up.
I did
Hit them
not
up,
say
ladies.
that.
That's okay. That's okay.
I did not say that.
Come on, y'all not gonna come to my defense. So he just,
I did not say
You
that.
said tonight.
y'all, like I really wanted to be here to see this guy work. And so I didn't get my hair done. Don't judge me. So let me flip the screen. I just wanted y'all to know I'm really here.
Why you
with
hiding
him.
your
Because I'm ugly.
Well, dang, you showing your whole face, but
It's
not
just
your
because I'm
mouth.
ugly.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay, you're fine.
No, cause I don't have on lipstick.
What's the difference?
It's
The rest of your
it's
face.
okay. You
No,
fine,
believe
buddy.
me. With lipstick, I'm a bad bitch. Without lipstick, I'm ugly as fuck. At least I'm telling the truth, man. I admit. Anyways, back to this. Ladies, y'all see his face, right?
Stop trying to sell the man. The man say he tried to sell his iPhone, not himself.
Okay, he say he's single, ladies. Holla at me if y'all wanna, cause I got the connections now. I got the connections. I'll hook y'all
He done
up.
took the whole phone apart. It was that bad?
Yo,
Yeah.
did you see your screen? Did you see your screen? Like seriously, like that thing was gone. It was out of there.
No.
Out of there, gone.
Gone.
GG. GG, what's the music?
Oh, man.
GG,
So do you automatically have all the inside pieces for the phones you
I mean,
fixing?
yeah, like I make sure I order like you see like these little components.
Yeah.
Like I usually order a lot, like like just in case like I'm fixing one and I lose it, so I have it there, you know.
Oh, so the customer won't have to purchase the part, or do that it comes in with their price.
Recording this shit died.
Mine's dying. It comes in with their price, right? The small item, the small
Oh
part.
no, it's actually I buy them just to make sure that I have them there.
Okay, so the customer doesn't buy them.
No.
Okay, so he's talking about the smaller items that you might need when he's fixing the phone. Let's say if you're missing a little part, he purchased them and he hook it up for you, so you don't have to actually go order anything really. Besides what, like the screen, right? So
I
He
mean,
ordered the screen
actually,
for you?
I do have everything else. I mean, everything that you need.
oh, so yeah, okay. So you sell the screen for like a small amount of the.
The price, like that's
Yeah.
I mean, like I have a.
Everything come together. Okay, so it's a set price.
Yeah.
Somebody say yo Taz Belair Pierre.
Oh, Billet. Yo,
Hey.
Billet. Second là. Si boy Wayne.
cheaper.
So we here live with him, guys. See him down the timeline. You had to actually see him work, and I'm impressed. You have to give credit where it's due, ladies and gentlemen. I know this is BTB or whatever, but BTB gives credit where it's due, and this is excellence, black excellence. Matter of fact, let's just call it what it is. It's excellence. So let's get a closer look.
Right now, I'm putting in the proximity sensor. You know that thing when you put it in your ear, like it knows the phone is in your ear. Like the screen.
Okay. Well, the proximity sensor, I can't even pronounce that.
I'm learning tonight. I ain't know what that was.
Yeah.
So he blow dry.
That's not blow drying it. This is not your hair.
I was joking.
Nah, like the thing is, like there's an adhesive on there, so it can stuck, so it can stay in place.
Oh, so that's like some kind of glue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, you got it. You got it, Shorty. You got it, Shorty.
You talking about somebody telling him that your grandma passed?
Who said that?
The Belair dude.
Who told him that?
He talking about Commandant Jim, grandma woman.
Oh, Commandant. Oh, Commandant est là avec nous.
But she didn't
Gary.
pass though.
Commandant Gary. Commandant Gary.
You don't have to stop saying no lady passed. She did not pass. She did not pass. Okay, just that's false information. Anyways, what's the music?
Y'all were talking. We make sure we could hear clearly the information.
True.
Man, we're trying to get lit.
Yeah, but they still gotta hear the information.
now, it's gonna see.
Mm-hmm.
If this home button is not compatible with yours, I'm gonna get a home button out of this. Let me see.
Okay, so if my home button doesn't work, you're gonna get some another phone's button?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope I ain't gotta pay for it.
Nah.
Alright, thank you.
I mean, you still paying.
I mean, it's still part of the charge. Ain't nothing.
Oh, it's a fixed price.
Yeah, it's a fixed price.
Alright now. I work out of him.
What phone do you missing, y'all?
Mine.
Oh, what is that, cuz? I didn't know you was in the building, dog.
Okay, I'm back, man.
What it is?
Nadine's phone is missing the button, the home button.
The home button was
Look
missing.
at
The screen
Look
was
at John. John don't pull his phone out.
The
Let me see
phone.
your phone, bro.
He wants you to fix the
Oh,
back.
you know what? I'm gonna fix the front and the back for 160,
The other
bro.
one?
160, this one.
The other one?
Let me see. That's the X. That's the X. My dog balling, man.
Okay, John.
The X, the 8, man.
John
Man,
flexing with his,
I need to do what he
his
do. Let me
phone.
put him right here.
He
What
don't
John
do
do?
shit. John don't do nothing.
John don't do shit.
Nope.
John sells drugs.
He sell drug. He sell drug. Hello, mama. Hello, papa.
So how much longer would this take?
I mean, I'm
Girl,
about
whole
done.
phone
You
was
feel me?
gone.
I know I'm trying to give an
Yeah, your
estimate.
phone was gone,
I
dog.
know it was dead and gone, and now you rebuy. Okay.
It was that day. Phone, the screen was broken. The screen was gone. Y'all saw that phone. Screen was gone. Home button was gone. What else was it? The
What
charger
happened, man?
on.
You got hit by the train or something?
Car got hit. Oh no, the phone got hit by a car.
How the phone got hit by a car? The phone.
Alright, everything look good. Everything look good. Home button, everything. You know what I'm
Oh
saying?
no, okay, all right.
Now we gonna see what it is. What it is.
Finally, I can tell.
I can go home without hearing.
I got
my phone.
another phone, y'all. I got a plus or whatever, but I need this one because you know, this is my little business phone.
You the plug.
Oh, just about to say G-Soul
I ain't
TV.
the plug, but you can't give people your
these my
personal.
TVs. I gotta fix
I'm
them.
about to say, you sold the TV yet?
Nah. I gotta fix them.
Okay, so we almost about done
Now
now.
we gonna see. I need a plug.
So, oh guys, look at this new screen.
Oh.
My business now. Y'all can hit up my line, guys.
Shiny, shiny, shiny.
My business phone finna rain now.
Oh, there it go, man.
Oh,
There it go, man.
oh,
I gotta see
oh.
if the home button work. You feel me?
Shiny.
And then we gonna close everything, and then we call it a night.
Okay, and how long did that take?
I don't
Less
know.
than
What
20.
time is it? What time is
Less
it?
than 20. It's 10:29.
Yeah,
Think
it's
you started
16,
maybe at-
16 minutes.
You do have a bad battery though. You see, it taking too long to
I
come on.
told you that.
We'll fix it another time, cause yeah, that's the business phone. We need that phone to ring.
Did it come on or what? It ain't come on?
Yeah, the battery bad too.
Uh-oh.
I need you to change the color on my phone.
Change the color?
I need it red.
You need red? No, I can only get them in black. Like, you know the 8? Let me see the 8.
Okay, so
I can only get it in black or white.
change the color of your
Or
phone
the
too.
exact, or the, you know, like you see this one is like a pinkish, creamish looking rose gold. Yeah, but I can only get the back in white or black. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's about it.
It died, I think, right after
It
that.
died.
Okay, the phone died.
You need you need a new battery, man. You need a new battery. Well, alright, I'm gonna put everything back together. But I need to see, before I do that, I need to see if the home button works. You know what I'm saying? Because you didn't have a home button. Now you have one. I want to see if it actually working.
I'm about to make my phone 2 colors. What's this?
Yeah, I can do it for you, man. Black and white.
Yeah, front gonna be black, back gonna be white. Why go back and white? I always do that.
I got you, cuz.
Nigga, this the office.
Let it charge a little bit.
We chilling at the office tonight, y'all. I'm off duty. I'm not doing BTV
You know, I ain't
tonight.
gonna
I'm
say
doing.
that.
Me, I'm supposed to be
Shout
off duty. And
out.
look what y'all got me doing.
Man, you hooking me up tonight. I have another time. So, thank you. Oh, so nice. He took his time off to fix this phone for
Late
me.
at night till it's 10.
It's 10, guys.
I work at any time as long as the money good. I'm about to charge y'all double.
Ladies, his
double. We ain't had no deal like that.
That's a double right here, man.
Nah, you should have called that up front.
That's a double shift.
He's very hardworking.
That's a
so
double
nice
shift.
and generous.
That's a double shift, man.
We
it's
understand.
Coming out your check.
We understand. So generous. So
double shift.
Y'all gotta understand when them WhatsApp people, when people started texting you off WhatsApp and stuff, that's why I need my business phone. They can't have my personal.
Oh my God.
Me?
I'm telling you.
I only got one phone. It's business, personal, pleasure.
Oh. Okay,
Everything
well you don't
else.
mix business with pleasure.
I don't. That's a bad talk to.
So you need a new phone. You gotta upgrade.
Nah. I know.
You gotta upgrade.
Baby, let me upgrade.
We're wrapping it up.
I'm all down, screen look nice. And you. Oh, there go. Oh, it's charging too. You fixed it?
It's 3%. Your battery. I didn't put a new battery in there.
Yeah, but it's charging, so you did
If I put
something.
a new battery, if I take the screen, put a new button, new screen, new home button, and the battery, that's gonna be like 100 something.
Dude, listen, we had a fixed price, all right?
Don't worry about the battery. That's none of your business.
Oh, now you got a working home button. What's your code?
What is that?
Your code. Put it up, man. Put it up.
So they can see my code?
Ain't nobody gonna have your phone.
Now, if y'all steal this phone.
You got the, I don't know.
And if y'all steal this phone.
Why is it not responsive?
That was the first screen, y'all. It was bad. And the phone home screen is working.
It's not responsive.
Corey. Hi, Corey. So I'm taking a little time off today because I had to come up here and see this guy do this work, and chilling. So it's a good guy. Very reliable. Fixing my phone late night for me, so generous. I didn't even feel like waiting. I was in the area, so I decided to stop by and give him a shout out. So if y'all need your phone fixed, come around and get your phone fixed right here. Follow him, y'all. Follow him on his page. On his page, and he actually has the stuff for y'all too. If whatever you need, he has the stuff you can use. So you won't have to order whatever your phone needs.
Just come, bring it.
Yeah, just bring your phone, drop it off, pick it up, set price,
pay,
and of course pay. Just joking. But no, seriously.
I'm the one that ran it over with the car.
You did? This one you got ran over for real though? Crazy. Yeah, crazy. That's crazy. Too much work with this one.
Yeah, the phone was in critical condition. It's recovering though. We had to put the phone on life support. And it's recovering.
I gotta take this thing out.
Man, y'all done cut off the music in here. I was lit, y'all.
DJ only play one song.
If I fuck with us, but then when she get a Wi-Fi lot, she said, "I got the connection. You working here? It work
It don't work in here. It work literally, it doesn't work here, but it works all over outside.
I don't know why. Though. What's wrong with your
You don't have it in here.
business?
The box not that close to him.
Bruh.
don't even need the music. We don't even need it. What happened to that super big old TV?
TV?
Mm-hmm.
My TV?
Mm-hmm.
It's broken.
Damn.
And it's not. Yeah, it's broken. I gotta get a new one.
So he's located in Delray Beach, but you travel, right?
Yeah, I do travel.
Yeah, well, he's
How
traveling.
Actually, for a price though.
Okay, so he traveled for a small
How
price,
far?
y'all. So
Uh,
that's fair.
What's
it
your
Cause
doesn't
gas.
maximum distance?
It doesn't matter.
So it doesn't matter how far he has
You
to
travel
go,
to
but
Tallahassee?
Yeah, for a price.
for a price,
What's the-
that makes sense. No, you can't estimate. He
I
can't
mean,
tell you.
what's like? Okay, what's the?
You have to think about how much gas he's finna put on, how much his mileage is, all
okay,
that stuff.
like what?
I don't even think about that. I just give you a price.
Yeah, what's
Yeah.
the what is give an estimate?
I mean, I don't know. It depends what you're fixing and how far I'm going.
Yeah. Makes sense. So for you people who's in the area, Miami area, Fort Lauderdale area,
He go all the way to Tallahassee. That's what I said.
he say he don't matter where you going, he just gonna
I
give you a
mean,
price.
I went to Orlando.
Oh, okay.
I went to Orlando all the way out there.
For to fix something?
Yeah,
Yeah.
2 iPads.
So somebody auto damn. They
Yeah. Cause yeah,
wow,
yeah, man.
that's nice. Next time you go, can you give me a ride?
Right? You want to ride to Orlando?
Yeah.
Okay, I hit you up.
Can somebody who in the Tallahassee area order like a phone so I can go home? I go ahead and take a ride home.
Yeah, somebody in Orlando request him up there because I need a ride to Orlando. Now
Now that he travels,
I got the connection, and now that I know he travel,
might as well, save some gas.
save me the gas.
I'll
So,
take the trunk. You can put me in the trunk. I don't take up no space.
so somebody in the Orlando area, please request him again, cause I need that ride.
I had to go fix my homeboy. That's his own guy with my homeboy.
And my car ain't gonna make it up there.
Your car. You gonna make it.
My Dodge, they ain't gonna make it up there, y'all.
I need your Dodge.
Bruh, listen. Now that I got the connection, and I know you're gonna take me to Orlando, you can borrow my Dodge. Yeah, cause ever since Tika hit my car,
Damn.
yeah, you see, you look at the front.
I ain't see that.
Tika crashed my car already.
Jesus.
I should hit a wall. How do you drive into
She
a wall?
she drove into a wall on 95, bruh.
How do you drive?
On that 95.
Yeah, she drove into a wall, just like that, and said she went on the phone. She wasn't looking. She drove into the wall
No reason.
for no reason. I don't believe her, but she don't want to hear that, so I let her be with her story.
You don't believe her?
Ain't that the one she hit John with?
No, she hit John
She
with
hit
her
John?
BMW. Yeah, she ran John over.
Right.
Skirt.
They was arguing, and she tried to leave, and he gonna jump on top of the car, and she hit him.
Skirt.
And that girl come in full force. I had to go find John on the floor
John went
and
boom.
call 911.
John went boom, boom, boom.
What they say? John ain't West Georgia in that bit?
She ain't bring no joy.
John.
Child, please. John was faking it too, cause John walked clean off the soon as the ambulance had came to get this boy, and Tinker had came back to the hospital. John walked clean out of the hospital, like he was waiting on that girl to come.
He walk clean out.
He walked out of there.
No, he walk with a limp now.
Child, ain't nothing wrong with that boy. But Tinker was probably doing like 40.
I need to charge it because his battery look bad.
You want this one?
That's straight.
Yup. So, long as
We
I
are almost done.
Well, we basically was done, but what happened was the battery is bad, and I have to change the battery. So he's kind of trying to work on it too. Cause as y'all can see, it was charging, but then again, it wasn't really. So the battery could be something else another day. I just need to be able to use this freaking phone.
Alright, we're gonna do another scenario.
Okay, so we try something different.
What you gonna do with all these like pieces though that you just took? All these like extra pieces.
These?
Like not about like these from the like the phone that
So
you
he's
took the
taking
home
pieces
button
from other.
Oh no,
Other
I
phones.
use them. I actually refurbish them.
Oh.
Like I actually buy the piece back and put it back together and sell it.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
That's that's smart.
Yeah, that's what refurbish is. Like, you get like. Actually, I buy old phones. I buy like phones people don't use, and then I refurbish them and sell them.
That's smart.
Okay, well then, guys, that's another thing. If y'all have phones that you no longer need, you can hit me up and I'll bring them over. Could use them.
Yeah,
Brother.
and I give you a price, man. I buy your old phone.
Listen.
You know, I sell them on Let Go. You know that app.
Oh.
Offer Up too.
You selling Alpha Up?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on there.
You be checking me out on
What you
there?
doing
No, I didn't
now?
know you was on there.
Yeah, I'm on there.
What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
It's a thing where you can sell and buy stuff.
Mm-mm.
Stuff.
Yeah, man. It's lit. Offer Up be lit. Good stuff.
FR up?
Offer up.
Offer
Like
up.
offer. I'm gonna
Oh,
offer
really?
you something.
I'm offering you something, cuz.
Yeah, we got the app on that phone that you fixing.
Ty, what is app I try to use? I try to buy a couch off it.
A what?
A couch.
On
But-
the app?
Mm-hmm. It ain't
What
work,
they
but I
say?
got me brand new. It ain't working out. They try to sell that on regular couch for
For how much?
it was a high price. I looked at the picture. That thing ain't nothing like that picture.
GG.
I
What
ain't
you
buy
doing
it.
now?
Right now, I'm just taking this out and putting in a new one because the other one wasn't working. So we're gonna put this one
Yep.
in. And I got a screen.
Traveling the mirror's gonna get in, girl. Listen, the girls are watching. Okay. Hey.
Oh, what's your code? 0304 16.
We works.
Hey, look at
Hey.
Hey, it's up there.
Everything work. Everything, baby. Everything.
Alright.
It's up there.
Everything.
So we just gonna put it together now, right?
Yeah.
Everything works. So what you just did, you just took parts from different phones to make this phone work. So not like other people that has to, you have to actually order the parts for them.
Who's that?
John.
Oh my God, that wasn't in mine. Oh Jesus!
Woo! Put that in the live.
Y'all see this?
Put that in the
His
live.
next project. Let me see that.
Put that in the
Oh
live.
my God! You can fix this?
Yes.
Yeah, he could fix this.
Put that in the live, yo.
How much you want to charge me? I need it ASAP, man.
You need it ASAP?
ASAP.
This
Alright,
is
let me see.
big
What kind
money.
of phone is that? The 7? Alright, the 7. Yo. You know what?
Oh, sorry.
Let me see. How much? I gotta see. Hold on.
Y'all see this?
Know what he about to do next, but we ain't probably.
Oh, this missing the home button too. Haha.
Let me see.
It's missing the home button too. My chocolate, he cut in my hand.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Why?
What happened? That one got ran over by a car.
Is that when they ran you over?
Chucking it at Tinker. Look at this.
No, it wasn't that one.
It wasn't that time?
No, you were right. I'm telling nigga, it wasn't that time.
That's when they ran you over? You did? Ah, that car bent like how your body was supposed to bend.
Thomas got hit tonight too.
You got what?
Thomas got hit
When?
tonight.
By who? Your
A car.
girlfriend?
No, what?
I'm about to make some money. Because they have called me right now.
Well, that's the next thing. This is crazy. Huh.
It cutting me out.
Look at that crap there. That's garbage right now.
Y'all still.
I still got better phone than all y'all. I don't care.
I'm gonna say put that down.
Yeah, turn that down, yeah.
That's it? Not that Sunday? Who famine? No, I missed done. She would have been yelling. Here's a car. Alright, there we go.
They look so beautiful.
I'm not even done. I gotta put the protector on there.
That's your life. And you get a protector.
And I need the money, Puento. I need the money now.
We got you.
Man, cash at me, Cole. Cash at me right now.
Phone is back to life, y'all.
Cash at me right now, dog. You got to?
We had a deal about it.
Cash at me, dog.
Back to life. So that was the home screen. The home screen was gone. The screen was gone. The home button was gone. The battery was gone. It wouldn't charge. So everything is working. And he only charges what? 70, 80 bucks for it. Save me from going to buy a new phone. All done. Putting the home screen on.
No, screen protector.
I'm sorry, the screen protector is going on there. He does all that right now.
Alright, yo. I'm done. Where the money?
Alright, y'all, so.
Where the money?
Alright, y'all, good night. So, like I said, you get credit where it's due. Check him out. Follow him right now. Bye, y'all.